Have you ever pondered how quarterly results can provoke seismic waves in the stock market, causing prices to shift? It's an enthralling ballet of figures and forecasts, where a company's fiscal well-being can dictate the course of its stock's performance. Take into account the recent quarterly results of Titan, a notable lifestyle company. As per the reports from the Economic Times, Titan's fourth quarter results display a 7% year-on-year augmentation in net profit. A substantial 17% year-on-year increase in net sales was also declared. The company's sturdy performance has aligned with market estimates indicating a promising prospect. But how does this news influence the stock market? When a company's quarterly meet or surpass predictions, it can frequently trigger a rise in its stock price. It's a symbol of business health, implying that the company is navigating its operations effectively and delivering value to its shareholders. This is exactly what happened in the case of Reliance Industries, an Indian conglomerate behemoth. After reporting a historic quarter with a significant 78% increase in revenue, the company's stock escalated 10%. A similar trend was spotted with Infosys. After reporting robust financial performance and adding several new projects and clients, the company's stock surged, marking a record high. These are quintessential examples of how quarterly results can influence stock. But remember, the flip side is also true. If a company's performance falls short of market expectations, it could lead to a depreciation in its stock price. Investors are perpetually on the hunt for indications of potential risks. Any glimmer of fiscal instability can instigate a sell-off, causing the stock price to dwindle. It's a delicate equilibrium, a game of figures and forecasts. Quarterly results serve as a report card for companies, shaping investor sentiment and swaying stock prices. According to a recent report by Money Control, a provisional target has been set for Titan's stock price based on its positive recent quarterly results. If history serves as a gauge, this could suggest a potential rise in Titan's stock price. But as always in the world of stocks, certainty is only achieved when it transpires. So, keep a vigilant eye on those quarterly results. They might just unveil the future trajectory of a stock price. The realm of stock market investing is a roller coaster ride, loaded with unexpected twists and turns. Happy investing, and until we meet again, stay financially astute.